This is a preview file, most commonly used by Vue or Ableton Live. It stores temporary render data or sound visualization, so you can see or hear your work without waiting for a full export. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's check the preview. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like PRV. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. A preview or cache format used across multiple creative suites, most notably Eon Vue for 3D environments and Ableton Live for audio peaks. It acts as a lightweight proxy, allowing the user to view high-resolution scenes or complex waveforms in real time without straining system resources. These files are built as non-destructive caches. They are generated based on the parent project file, like a .vob or ALS, and rely on absolute file paths to stay linked to the original assets. They use low bitrate compression to prioritize speed of playback over visual or audio fidelity. The native handler for PRV files is usually Eon Vue from Eon Software Inc. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows doesn't translate complex data structures, so specialized software is required to read them. We're testing the file structure now. Right-click the PRV file and choose Open With. If Eon Vue is installed, start there. If not, select another application. Different apps handle edge cases uniquely. If you still cannot open your PRV file, that is okay. We've isolated the failure to one of 3 common causes. Here's a concise breakdown of the most likely culprits and the specific action required to check them. First, delete file safely. Because .prv files are regenerative, you can safely delete them to free up disk space. The next time you open the main project in Vue or Ableton, the software will simply rescan your assets and build a fresh, healthy preview file automatically. Next, broken link repair. If a preview fails to load or shows as a missing asset, the parent file has likely moved. Resave the main project file in its new location. This forces the software to repath the metadata and update the associated .prv container to the new directory. Finally, view original data. Do not attempt to open a PRV file directly in a media player. Instead, locate the source project file in the same directory. If you only have the PRV, you cannot recover the full quality work, as it does not contain the high-resolution source code. Failures with installed programs usually stem from PRV being a duplicate extension used by various unrelated software creators. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since we tried everything on the PRV format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Always double-check your file extensions before opening. Thanks for watching to the end. Show your appreciation by liking and subscribing.